Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Edge panel on the Samsung S25. Okay, to get access into the Edge panel, we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, simply scroll down and click on the display. Now again, scroll down into the bottom until you find the Edge panels. Make sure that they are enabled right in here. As you enable them, you can see that in here this thin gray bar appeared, and below we have the panels. In here we have those specific modes that we can select. So we have the people, apps, weather, tools, tasks, clipboard and reminder. So for now, let's say I will select only the weather and the apps as an example. You can also edit the apps. If you click on edit, you can get rid and delete the apps from the Edge panel, and you can add more of the apps from this list by simply clicking on them. Also below we have the handle. We can change the position, it can be right or left. We can enable the lock handle position. We can also change the style, so we can adjust the color, for example. We can adjust the transparency, size and the width by simply grabbing this bar and moving it to the right side or to the left side. Okay, and now to enable it, simply slide from the right to the left. And now currently we have opened the app panel. If you want to change the panel into the, I think I selected the weather, simply do it once more. And now as you can see, the bar with the weather appeared. And that's how you can change those things. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.